Love will not save you. You've been deceived into believing that the right person can heal your wounds, that someone will come along and make you whole. This lie isn't just misguided. It's poison, feeding on your deepest vulnerabilities. You're not empty because you're alone. You are empty because you've handed your power to illusions that will never manifest. No one is coming to fix what is broken within you. Love doesn't repair damage. It reveals it. It exposes what you've been hiding from yourself. If you do not accept yourself as you are, every relationship you enter will only deepen your self-destruction, slowly eroding what little strength you have left. Stop waiting for the world to validate you. Your worth does not hinge on the approval of others. You are suffocating, drowning under the weight of your need to be seen, to be recognized. But you have a choice. You can stay locked in this prison, waiting for a savior who will never come. Or you can face the uncomfortable truth. Your transformation, the healing of your brokenness, is yours and only yours to claim. The waiting ends now. It's time to stop clinging to false hopes. Begin the painful but necessary process of rebuilding from the ashes of your illusions. The work starts with you, only you.